What's up everybody, Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and overview of the Sig Sauer Romeo 5 Gen 2. Getting right into it, let's go ahead and get this out of the package and see what comes with it. I feel like this is a sin. I'm gonna use this EOTech Tecto knife to open a Sig Sauer optic. All right, so what all came with it here? In the box, we have our owner's manual or instruction manual here. So if you wanna know how to use it, you can read through all that. We get a cleaning cloth, pretty standard for optics. We have a Allen wrench, or actually no, this is a star pattern wrench for that side and that side. I believe that's for putting our mount on and off, which we're about to see. We also get this new tool, which I haven't seen from Sig yet. So it has that star pattern again, and then a flat end on this side. We of course have our optic here, and it comes on a mount ready to go out of the box, but they also give you this secondary option mount, which is a lower mount. So if we swap it, it would actually be at this height. So this is if you want like an absolute co-witness. They give you that mount to achieve that. So it's actually pretty nice. They give you the option for both these different mounts. On our optic as well, they give you the little bikini covers, which I always end up just throwing away. And then let's actually get the rest of this off. We get a little warning for the battery, and of course we got crap on there. There we go, got it off. And then we have a little blue tab, which we're gonna pull here in a sec, so that way we can use our battery. Looking at the Romeo 5, again, this is the Gen 2. I have quite a few of the Gen 1 Romeo 5s and absolutely love them. I highly recommend it to anybody who's balling on a budget but needs a quality red dot. The Romeo 5 has been outstanding for me. So I'm hoping the Gen 2 is the same case here, but we just get an updated and better look to it. On this side, we got nothing here, but on top we have our plus and minus buttons for our brightness, turning it on and off. For windage and elevation, you can see the dial up top for up and down, and it indicates which way goes which. And same thing for the side. We have the left and right, and it indicates which way is right. So that way you can get this zeroed in. The battery door, let's actually remove that because I guess we do. Yep, we get a battery here. So it takes a CR2032 battery, which is pretty common for optics of this size. And then let's go ahead and pull, well, let's see. Oh, I guess we got to take the whole thing out. So we're going to pull our battery off. We're going to remove the cover. And then now let's go ahead and pop that bad boy back in. And then with that in, let's put our cover back on, and hopefully this will turn on now. I guess we can use our tool here. Maybe that's what this is for, to tighten our battery door. Perfect, nice and snug. And now let's just see if it works. Let's hit the plus button. Yep, sure enough. So you just push and hold to turn it on. And now our dot is on. Going over the specs or features of this dot here, the optic has 10 daytime brightness settings and 2 night vision settings. So that's nice, this does work under nods for night vision. It also has shake awake to help save your battery. So if you leave it sit for 2 minutes, it'll automatically turn off. Then when you bump it, pick it up, it'll automatically turn back on. Absolutely love shake awake. I wish EOTechs had that. And then as far as the reticle, it is a 2 MOA dot on the standard Romeo 5. There is a elite version of this that has multi-reticle, but for this one, it's more budget friendly. It doesn't have the multi-reticle, but honestly, I'd take this one over the elite one just because I think a 2 MOA dot is all you need. Next up, let's actually take a look down the optics, see what it looks like. But before we do, if this has been helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also, highly recommend checking out the video description down below. I have a full Google spreadsheet going of all the different parts I'd recommend if you're building your first AR or your 100th one. In general, if you need some recommendations for different parts, that spreadsheet has everything for you. And again, it's absolutely free. All right, let's go ahead and get a look down the optic now. Again, this does have 12 brightness settings. The lower 2 are night vision settings, and then the upper 10 are the daytime settings. Right now we are on the max brightness. And actually, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit to get a closer look. So if we want, we can take the brightness down. Let's say we want to click it to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then now we're in night vision where it has the 2. Then if we want to bring it back, 1, 2, night vision's done. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're back to max brightness there. I like to call the Romeo 5 a no-frill optic, and it is just super budget friendly. So if you're looking for a budget friendly, reliable, durable red dot, highly recommend checking one of these out. Again, this is a 2 MOA dot. It is not multi-reticle. If you want to turn it off, you're going to press and hold either button. That'll turn it off. Then if you want to turn it back on, press and hold either button and it'll pop back on. But I would recommend just leaving it on all the time because it does have that shake awake. So after 2 minutes of just leaving this idle, it's gonna shut off, conserve battery. And then when you bump it or pick it up, it'll turn right back on. Hopefully this was helpful for you here today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.